I can plus verb. I can fix a car. I can do yoga. I can play chess. I can be patient. I can play tennis. I can sew a dress. I can drive a car. I can play soccer. I can type quickly. I can write a song. I can give advice. I can bake a cake. I can speak French. I can make a video. I can design a logo. I can show empathy. I can write a poem. I can paint a picture. I can write a book. I can play the piano. I can play the guitar. I can show gratitude. I can draw a picture. I can teach a class. I can face my fears. I can speak Spanish. I can inspire change. I can be disciplined. I can speak in public. I can inspire others. I can repair a bicycle. I can be a role model. I can create a website. I can adapt to change. I can run a marathon. I can lift heavy weights. I can climb a mountain. I can take photographs. I can be a good friend. I can be kind to others. I can lead by example. I can be open-minded. I can be a good listener. I can ski down a slope. I can live a balanced life. I can embrace diversity. I can swim in the ocean. I can embrace my flaws. I can give a presentation. I can meditate for hours. I can volunteer my time. I can make new friends. I can stay true to myself. I can help those in need. I can make people laugh. I can dance to any music. I can pursue my passions. I can program a computer. I can love unconditionally. I can read a book in a day. I can be true to my values. I can be a good team player. I can share my knowledge. I can create a better future. I can overcome challenges. I can express my emotions. I can speak English fluently. I can speak English fluently. I can solve a Rubik's Cube. I can cook a delicious meal. I can solve a difficult puzzle. I can learn from my failures. I can have a positive attitude. I can see the good in people. I can bake bread from scratch. I can learn from my mistakes. I can respect others' opinions. I can embrace my uniqueness. I can be a source of positivity. I can learn from my successes. I can be grateful for what I have. I can live in the present moment. I can set goals and achieve them. I can learn from others' experiences. I can stand up for what I believe in. I can be responsible for my actions. I can make a difference in the world. I can make time for what's important. I can appreciate the little things in life. I can always strive to be my best self. I can appreciate the beauty of nature. I can work hard to achieve my dreams. I can persevere through difficult times. I can appreciate the simple things in life. I can accept criticism and grow from it. I can make a positive impact on society. I can forgive those who have wronged me. I can make a conscious effort to be happy. I can make a difference in someone's life. I can challenge myself to learn something new. I can make a positive impact on the environment.